Today, we're diving into one of Rivian's most anticipated adventure add-ons, the Travel Kitchen. I'll show you exactly how to set it up on both the R1S and the R1T step by step so you're ready to cook wherever the road takes you. Now let's dive in. First, you'll want to make sure that your vehicle is level. If you're parked on uneven ground, no worries, Rivian makes it really easy. Just head to the camping screen from the center display menu and select level vehicle. The system will automatically adjust, and it usually takes a minute or two depending on how uneven the terrain is. If you're setting this up on an R1S, start by opening both the liftgate and the tailgate. Position the closed travel kitchen on the tailgate with the Rivian logo facing right side up. Align the slot on the bottom of the kitchen with the U-shaped hook on the tailgate, then lower it into place. Next, pull out and lift the latch to unlock and open the travel kitchen. As you swing it down to the other side, align the second slot with the U-shaped hook on the opposite side of the tailgate. Now find the stability foot underneath the kitchen, which is in the center. While slightly lifting the unit, push the foot to release it, then lower the travel kitchen until it's lying flat on the tailgate, securely supported. And there you go, you've set it up on your R1S. And setting up the travel kitchen on the R1T is even easier. There's no need to align with any U-shaped hooks or use of a stability foot thanks to the larger tailgate, and the bottom of the travel kitchen simply fits over the tailgate's ribs, locking it securely into place. Next, open the drawer and remove the cooktop power cord, plug one end into the back of the cooktop, then locate the covered 120 volt outlet in the vehicle's cargo area. On the R1S, it's on the left. On the R1T, it's on the right. To power the outlet, go to the center display and select energy from the menu to turn on the 120 volt outlets. Once connected, the cooktop will beep once and a red light will appear above the power button, letting you know it's ready to use. As the sun goes down, you can light up your campsite with the hangout lights. Just twist the telescoping poles into their dedicated mounting points, then use the J-hooks to hang the lights securely. Plug the USB-C connector into the travel kitchen's USB-C port, located just above the power outlet, and then you're all set to keep cooking well into the night. It's really that simple. I can't wait to fire up this cooktop and put it to the test this summer with camping. If you have any questions about the travel kitchen or want to see specific content with it, drop it in the comments below. And if you haven't seen my full deep dive on the travel kitchen, where I put it up against the gas stove, I'll link that video here. Thanks for watching, and remember, adventure is always out there.